Welcome back and thank you for staying with KTN Prime. Efforts are underway to save the Great Water Tower in the Mau Forest as community support projects are linked through various activities in the Mau Forest buffer zone. Community organizations led by the government have initiated various community projects to enable communities to make a living from agriculture and stop human activities that has been affecting the water catchment tower. Ali Manzu reports.
The Mau Water Complex, majestic yet imposing. A source of 12 rivers that feed into Lakes Victoria, Turkana and Nitron, this water tower is the largest of its kind in the East African region. However, it has been facing threats from deforestation and encroachment. But a unique yet effective effort is underway to ensure that this natural resource prevails. Civil society organizations, communities living at the edge of Mau Forest and the government have implemented several programs to enhance the water tower under the Stawisha Mau Trust.
We mark a key milestone, the launch of a 30-kilometer electric fence, part of our border strategy to secure the 9,000-kilometer forest boundary, of which 2,500 kilometers are already fenced. This effort will help reduce human-wildlife conflict.
We've reached almost 10,000 farmers and families around the Mau Forest, but it indeed is also not the end of the work. The fence still needs to be put up across the border. We need to continue to invest in the livelihoods of the communities surrounding the forest.
Since 2015, the IDH has invested in the conservation of Mau Forest, fostering community-led initiatives such as farming along forest buffer zones. This has benefited communities with the main goal being restoration and conservation.
This public-private partnership has delivered amazing results. The forest degradation of the Mau Forest in the forest block that we covered, the Southwest Mau, has gone down by nearly 50%. At the same time, the regeneration of the forest, so growing back of the forest, has also improved by over 50%. Relationship with the communities, but also in the ownership of the communities of this program. They've always been part of all the committees that were designing the interventions.
According to the government and other stakeholders, the collaboration with the communities has led to an increase in the number of trees. This has had a cascading effect on the improvement of the health of the Mau Forest. Through training, communities benefit from projects, thus stopping degradation of the forest. Additionally, they benefit with an improved yield while developing agriculture along the Mau buffer zone.
We need to ring-fence the results we've achieved till date, so that it's not lost. And there, all the partners, and that is also why we've created the trust. The trust is an independent entity that will take over from IDH.
So we came in as a program to support them to graze their animals more productively at home, improve on fodder production, improve on artificial insemination. And through this program, we have seen communities increase their milk production right from about 3 liters when we began the program. We have now communities even selling up to 50 liters per day. We also have other programs running, including a potato value chain project. And this potato project targets to support community members.
As development projects continue in a bid to safeguard Kenya's largest water tower and secure climate resilience, the rehabilitation of the Mau Forest is improving, leading to flourishing of crops, trees, a healthy ecosystem, and water sources. Despite this, deforestation through logging remains a challenge.
Encroachment, illegal logging, and land grabbing are crimes, not only against the environment, but against the nation.
We have constructed 8 outposts for the rangers so that the rangers can be well housed. And this has improved the number of forest rangers within the landscape and has improved surveillance on the ground and therefore has also reduced the illegal forest activities.
The Stawisha Mau Trust is expected to scale up restoration efforts and expand community-driven agribusiness initiatives. It is also expected to serve as a model for similar interventions in other key areas such as the Aberdares, Mount Elgon, and Cherangani Hills ecosystems. Ali Manzu, KTN, Nairobi.
The government has been